Finally, Samsung Galaxy Note 21 Ultra 5G leaked in a very big way. Today we are taking a peek at the Samsung's Galaxy Note 21 Ultra 5G, likely the most extravagant smartphone ever released by the Samsung. This device hasn't yet been confirmed by the company, and everything we are looking at today was either leaked or tipped this week by insider with the information on the subject who wish to remain relatively anonymous. The imaginary you are looking at today comes from Let's Go Digital, who have a set of specifications to go along with the images. The designer Goosebumps panel suggests that the Galaxy Note 21 Ultra 5G will work with a color scheme slightly different from what we have seen with recent Samsung devices. Here's the back-facing camera array is not just pulled up and off to the side, it's always gray or black. Instead of doing everything in their power to hide the back-facing camera array, this iteration of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Note seems to want to make it a key part of its external aesthetic. If the renderings we are looking at today are accurate, the company will toss out the idea that the S Pen can be a different color from the main body of the phone. This might be a missed opportunity given the color of the camera array. Why not gray? Why not accent the camera array as well as the S Pen? The back-facing camera array on this smartphone will likely roll with a 108 megapixel main camera with f1.8 lens, a pair of telephoto zoom lenses, both 10 megapixel camera, one with 10x hybrid zoom and the other with 3x optical zoom. There will also likely be a 12 megapixel 120-degree wide lens. It is currently unknown whether Samsung will incorporate a 3D sensor for all manner of 3D depth sensing and scanning on this device. It is rumored that there will be a lesser autofocus system, though not unlike what's likely appearing on the Galaxy S21 Ultra this week. It would appear that early leaks of the body configuration of this massive machine suggest that the Galaxy Note 21 will continue to incorporate a slot in S Pen. It will be interesting to see whether Samsung comments on the inclusion of an S Pen stylus with the Galaxy S21 Ultra and on how one might be extremely similar to the other. If the Galaxy Note 21 Ultra 5G is coming in the market, whether you are going to buy it or not, leave your comments below why you want to buy it and why you don't want to buy it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. We'll see you on the video. Keep visiting Thais Schooling.